There was an old farmer named Kaushal. Though he was old, he used to do all the labor work in farm. Sometimes Kamla, Kaushal's wife, would come and help him in his work. Kaushal had two young sons, Karan and Arjun. Both were very lazy.
Listen, Karan. Now I have become old. I alone cannot manage all this work. Why don't you both help me with farming?
Father, I have no inclination of working whole day in farm. Ask Arjun, he might help you. Brother, if you don't want to work, say that clearly. Why are you putting it on me? Now what did I put on you? You just told father. So what? You can refuse to. That I will do.
Keep quiet, both of you. You both are just looking for reason to pick a fight.
Both the brothers left home. Kaushal and his wife were disappointed.
I really don't know what to do. Tell me something.
You have only spoiled them. You should have made them work when they were small. If you would have listened to me then, you wouldn't have seen them behave like this today.
Yes, I really made a big mistake.
As long as we are working, we will look after them. After we are gone, they will learn to earn on their own.
Hope so.
Next morning, Kaushal left for farm. And Kamla went to her sons. You both just want to eat and sleep. When will you start working? You have grown so big, still you don't feel like working. Why can't you go and help your father? Poor man is toiling hard in the field the entire day, so that you both get to eat. Both of you are good for nothing. Mother's taunts had no effect on Karan and Arjun. Time was running. Kaushal fell ill. Still, he would slog in the farm the entire day. Please look after your health. See what you have done to yourself. Kamla made Kaushal sleep on the bed. And started nursing him. But by this time, Kaushal's health had deteriorated.
If something goes wrong with me, what will these two eat? They don't know how to farm. I'm getting more ill just by thinking about these two. I don't know what will happen tomorrow.
Pawan, Kaushal's friend, came over to see Kaushal.
What is this, brother? What happened to you?
I'm aging now. Health issues are obvious at this age.
This is not because of age. This is because of your hardships.
I have no other choice but farming.
Why don't your useless son help you in the field and farming? Understood. Do one thing.
Pawan spoke something in Kaushal's ears, and Kaushal's face enlightened. Then Pawan left. Kaushal called both the sons.
You guys always wonder, don't you? That why do I toil so much in the farm? Then listen. There is a huge treasure hidden in our farm.
Treasure?
Yes, treasure. My father had told me about this. Entire life, I have been trying to find it. but I couldn't find it. Maybe you two can find it.
After listening to their father's words, Karan and Arjun started digging the field. They kept on digging the field for many days.
Brother, where is the treasure? Can't find it. Yes, but we have already dug up so much. What to do now?
At that time, their mother arrived with food for both of them. Now, since you have plowed the field, why don't you sow few seeds? At least grow some grains in the fields now. Both the brothers ate the food and then sow seeds in the field. Then rainy season arrived. Now their seeds had started to sprout. In few days, they turned into a crop. Now, both the brothers were looking at their field.
Looks like we have a bumper crop. Come on, let's harvest it.
Both the brothers started harvesting the crop. Then they sold the entire crop to a vendor. They earned a lot of money by selling the grains. They were elated to see the money they had earned.
Look, we have earned so much money. Yes, brother. Our hard work has finally paid. Let's go and show this to the father.
Both the brothers happily went to their father.
Look, father, this is our earnings.
Very good, children.
And do you know, father? We have earned more than you.
I pray to God that you continue to work and earn even more. And always be happy.
After Karan and Arjun left, Kamla went near Kaushal and... How did this miracle happen? Is there really a treasure hidden in our field?
No, my dear. This was Pawan's idea. He said that greed of wealth is the only way to get my sons working. And he was absolutely right.
I am very thankful to Pawan Bhaiya. Because of his advice, everything is falling in place now. And our sons have become mature and hardworking. Kaushal lured his sons with the promise of the treasure to teach them the importance of working hard.